Morning message from Spiritworld. Spending and investing a whole lot of money into your awakening. You're not going the right way. Awakening is not a new concept. It has been with us for as long as life has been, which is infinity. So when you spend money and pay for things and pay, yes, there are services to be paid for, but if you are spending your resources and everything you have on finding yourself and awakening, it ain't happening. It's gonna happen, but you're taking the long way around, being used, being manipulated, being put in a different kind of frame of fear. Wake up. Tsogang. Word wakker. Thwaaaaaaa. Build, plant, love the earth that loves the heart, that loves the world you are. MmewaPula, Spirit World.